For a full reading of this disclaimer, please visit the Creative Dog Training Academy's disclaimer video. Thank you. The bell ringing trick. A desktop bell works best when performing this type of trick. You will also need a clicker and some high reward treats. I will show you how to build success along the way. We will be using luring behavior and the clicker training method. First, I will load the clicker by using high reward treats. I load the clicker by giving a click and a treat. I will do this several times before we begin. Stage 1. Luring the behavior. I first start off by putting the bell in front of him. When he gets close to the bell, I click and treat. When he gets close to the bell, I click and treat. I toss the treat, so this resets the behavior that I'm looking for. At the end of each lesson, I always remember to give a release word and praise. He has now become proficient in stage 1. We're now ready to proceed to stage 2. Once again, I load the clicker with high reward treats. In this stage, I will be shaping his behavior. In this stage, I'll be wanting him to build a connection between the bell and the treat. At the end of each lesson, I always remember to give a release word and praise. Now that the behavior is predictable, between 85 to 90% of the time, I'll be adding a verbal cue. Once again, I load the clicker with high reward treats. I will now explain how to add the verbal cue.
Bell.
I say the cue word, he performs the behavior, I click and treat.
Bell. All done. Good boy.
At the end of each lesson, I always remember to give a release word and praise. When proofing the behavior, you'll be practicing using the 3 Ds. The first D is distraction. We are outside. So I move back 1 step and I have him approach the bell, but I don't ask for anything else. Now, you'll want to continue proofing the behavior until your dog performs the trick the way you want them to.
Bell. Biggest bell.
He is now performing the trick with distractions. Now I will add distance and duration.
Biggest bell.
At the end of each lesson, I always remember to give a release word and praise.
All done. Good boy. Yeah. Mwah. Good boy.